Hi, welcome back to Toy Hobby Review. Today we have a search and rescue chopper, dual rotors, modeled after the Chinook helicopter. Chinook is, I believe, an old Indian word. I'm not sure what it means, so excuse my ignorance. It comes with an infrared. This particular model, Search and Rescue one, comes with B frequency, and the police copter version that they have, all it is a different paint job. Then it says police on the side of it. That's frequency A. So you can, if you get both of those, the two different ones, you can fly them together. It requires 6 AA batteries. It has gyro stabilization, and the remote is actually a 3.5 infrared true 8-way control, or at least it claims on the box. I have not test flown it yet, and it does have lights on it, so you can put around at night in your house. So don't expect us to fly outside. That's pretty much it. And the box, which I thought was real neat, they ran a wire and a button. If you can see the button right there, it says try me, and spins up. Kind of a good way to test to see if your model's going to work or not. Some, of course, people would just press it so much that the battery wore out, but I would stick to buying one that spins, because the try me button can save you from getting on women. It really can. So let's fly it. Alright, so let's cut to the chase and give this a test flight. As you can see, it is turned on. It's some neat lighting effects for nighttime flying. Alright. Takes it a second to get connected. One thing I noticed. Alrighty. Very controllable. Got forward button, back button. Very nice. Way easier to control than a single-bladed helicopter. Single-rotor helicopter. Excuse me. Goes down nicely. We can even go backwards. turns nicely. I crashed it. I think that was my fault. I give it 2 thumbs up, but this is way better than the single rotor planes that I've used. I mean helicopters that I've used. I've had more luck with this, and remember, it's a Target exclusive, so you're either going to have to eBay it or go to Target or go to Target's website and buy it, because it does say that it's a Target exclusive. Thank you for watching Toy Hobby Review, and take care. As you can see, it has some very neat lighting effects. Shines light on the ground. So yeah, let's give it some nighttime fun then. A lot more controllable than a two-blade, than a single rotor helicopter. A lot more controllable. Barely have to set any trim. Oh, watch out, Mr. Pig.